Roses are red, violets are blue. Here is a flower to say, I love you. It's nearly Mother's Day. And if you're looking for a super simple, easy chant and paper craft, here is an idea. This flower is actually made out of cupcakes. Yes, cupcake. Well, not exactly cupcakes because we don't have the yummy stuff inside, but they're cupcake liners. And I have a selection here of different colors. And I'm going to show you how to make this simple flower that you can make with your young language learners. Now, all you need to do is have your cupcake liners. You're going to need 8 of them in total. Let me give you an example of how to make one. So I'm going to take one cupcake liner like this. I've got 2 here. Let me just separate those. So I've got one here. Then all you're going to do is just fold it in half like this. Then you're going to fold it in half again and again and one more time. So you have this tiny little cupcake holder here. Then all you're going to do is get your scissors and so the fold of the cupcake is down here, okay? You're going to get your scissors and you're going to cut like a half moon shape like that. Then magically you'll open up the cupcake liner and you will have a beautiful petal. Yes. Now you're going to get your students to make 8 of these in total, okay? I've made a few earlier, so you don't have to stay and watch me making them all afternoon. So I've got a selection here. I've got different colors here. And all you're going to do is just place one on top of the other, like so. And then what we're going to do is, we don't need any glue, we don't need any paints, we just need a stapler. So we're going to fold a little bit of the flower like this, because what we're going to do is get the stapler and we're going to staple into the center. It's going to be a little bit difficult to show you, but can you see that? I'm just going to staple the center part and then we're going to open it up like that, okay? And we're going to open up all of the petals. But before we open up the petals, we want to do the center part of the flower, just like this. Can you see that center part of the flower? So we just need half a cupcake liner. We're going to fold that again in half and in half again. We're going to get the scissors. So get the scissors and we're just going to make some little slits in the paper. And the fun part is we're just going to smush it all up, like smush, 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 smush. So smush it all up and then just staple it to the center of the flower like so again. Okay, so there you have your center. Then we're going to open up the petals. Now this is the fun part for your students. So each petal, they're just going to open up and scrunch up. Can you see if let me just show you. I'm just scrunching up each petal into the center, okay? So that just creates your flower. So you've made your flower in just a few moments. Okay, so you've got your flower there. All you need to do then is to attach it to a stick. What kind of stick? It's going to be a balloon stick. So you can either just use the white balloon. I think you can have them in different colors, the stick, plastic stick. You can cover it. With mine, I've covered it with some crepe paper, so you can cover it, just roll it up, staple it, and then just staple some leaves. Now the leaves, cupcake liners again, just fold in half again, staple to the stick, and there you have the stem of the flower, and there you have your flower. And the chant, roses are red, violets are blue. Here is the flower, mummy, to say, I love you. Simple, easy, give it a go, and remember, be theatrical, and remember, happy Mother's Day.